Today we'll focus on Europe. Let's talk about Sweden. The biggest advantage of Sweden is the curriculum. You look at the curriculum, you fall in love with it. It's all about thinking, coming up with solutions, classroom discussions, and you're just focusing on how do I make the environment better, the earth better, is how the projects and everything are all about. How do we make the world a better place? A very environmental friendly country. Amazing universities out there, KTH, Chalmers, etc. No, it's very open-ended country, no hard feelings people have about one another. So, that's one good thing about. So again, it depends. Okay, for medicine, biotechnology, your Karolinska, KTH. Chalmers for mechanical, aeronautical, etc. And Stockholm for economics and finance. Okay, so they have a central application portal called universityadmissions.se. The best thing is you can apply to 4 programs with the cost of 1 application fee. So applying to 1 college, apply to 3 more colleges for free. So online form, documentation, your SOPs, LORs, etc., your English proficiency proof, GRE is not required, TOEFL IELTS compulsory. You will have to pay a fee of 7,000 rupees if you are not a EU citizen. So Indians will have to pay 7,000 rupees to apply to 4 colleges. So usually the deadline to apply is, I think, Jan start, and you get your results in April start. So it's a centralized process. What about the scholarships? So there are different institutes will have their own scholarships, universities will have their own scholarships, and there will also be scholarship competitions for various countries, and this information is provided on the university website. How does the visa process work? You have to pay the tuition fees for the first year, show the proof, the letter of admission and everything, and you show that you have the financial supporting documents. You have to go to Delhi in India if you want to apply for the Swedish visa. That you will have to go there for the visa process. It takes 2 to 3 months, so you want to start the process in advance. What is the cost of study? So basically the tuition fees will vary. Again, it varies from 6,000 to 45,000 euros. This is all inclusive cost. It's a 2-year program out there. Approximately 2 to 3 lakh kronas per year is going to be your tuition fees. And this is basically the average for. So again, the cost is broken up depending on what area you are in. Technical programs, architecture, social science, and again for calculation purpose, krona is 7.8 per rupee. This was at the time the PPT was made. I don't know what the price is today, but maybe not too much here and there. So what about your living expenses? So you are looking at somewhere about 62,000 rupees per month, approximately, if you want to talk in Indian rupees. If you are smart, you save money, you cook your own food, you share your room and all, this can go down to 40,000-50,000 per month. Work permit, stay back options. You have 6 months to hunt for a job. After you graduate, you extend your residency by 6 months. You just need to show that I have 8,000 kronas per month. You show that, hey, so basically for 6 months, you show about say 50,000 kronas, that I have 50,000 kronas to take care of my living expense. They will extend it by 6 months. You have 6 months to hunt for a job. In those 6 months, you need to find a job that pays you 13,000 kronas per month. You get that kind of a job, you should be sorted. You stay for 5 years in Sweden. You have great Swedish speaking capability. You can get a PR, but the PR laws are a little bit different. What are the top companies that recruit? Skype, Ericsson, Electrolux, IKEA, H&M, Spotify, Atos Origin, even Volkswagen recruits a lot. Okay, the websites, there are careerbuilder.se, job.blockade.se, stepstone.se. Again, there would be thelocal.se, Nuvo, Global, the different websites of that country. There are also recruitment agencies like Adecco, Manpower, Untouchables, etc. that you can leverage to apply for jobs. The best part is, you go through the fair, like Chalmers has a charm fair and different Stockholm School of Economics has their own fair. So you can actually go to different fairs in different universities and attend even other universities' fairs also. You join a student union over there, they are very active and help you to take matters or if you are stuck up anywhere. Salary ranges, so again, so in Stockholm the amount varies. So monthly salaries are anywhere between 34 to 38 for engineers. So some engineering companies might pay you more. If you have work experience, Spotify pays a lot of money, maybe 45 to 50,000 kronas. H&M, Nike and IKEA recruit a lot of MBA graduates as well. Most of them don't consider Sweden because they don't have the information. So I know many people who never thought of going to Sweden, when they look at the curriculum, fall in love with it and have chosen Sweden over other countries. The biggest drawback is the income tax rate is very high because you go to school, college for your children is free. You do not have to pay anything to go to a doctor. You are hospitalized. You don't pay anything at all. The government takes care of everything.